Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Today, my name is Sybel Cloete. I'm the founder of Sybel's Creations. We started operating last year, 2023. We are based in Rosedale, Uppington. I started my business because I was unemployed, so I had to do something to earn an income and to provide for my kids. That's why I started making handmade jewelry. Well, my company delivers a product. I made handmade jewelry, which is basically made from glass beads and crystals and gemstones. So these are my bracelets, and it's very affordable. Well, what makes my product different from my competitors, I only use quality beads, quality glass beads and crystals and gemstones. No plastic jewelry. If you are interested in my product, you can obtain it by contacting me at 07888 66331, or you can check out my Facebook page, Sybel's Creations, or my private page, Sybel Cloete. Hi, my name is Sybel. I am a township entrepreneur.